been an honor to support the WiDS Datathon since the very first competition in 2018. Over the years, the Datathon has covered social impact topics spanning financial inclusion, deforestation, intensive care unit mortality, and this year we focused on diabetes. We saw record-breaking participation with more than 3,800 registrations, 30 workshops, and nearly 25,000 submissions over the last 2 months. The growth behind the scenes has also been inspiring. We're grateful for ambassadors who are writing tutorials, hosting office hours, and working to support the community before, during, and after the competition.
I can say it's been a privilege and an absolutely thrilling experience for me to be part of the WiDS Datathon committee and to see firsthand the range of activities that must happen in clockwork to bring forth an event of this scale. I would like to thank the Datathon team for attending to the innumerable details of the Datathon. I must say the WiDS Datathon team does set the gold standard for outstanding teamwork and partnership. Thank you all so very much. An important aspect of the Datathon is the hands-on training that WiDS ambassadors are providing at more than 30 locations globally. These events help facilitate team formation, provide hands-on training, and take place over multiple days. We're grateful to all of our ambassadors for their hard work in leading and facilitating these workshops. And now for our 2021 leaderboard. In first place, we have dihydrogen oxide from USA. In second place, EPFL from Switzerland. In third place, .il from Israel. Congratulations to the teams. We will be sharing more about the team stories in the coming weeks.
Thanks to our Datathon collaborators and global visionary sponsors. We're excited to build on the momentum with a phase 2 of the Datathon, which is designed to encourage deeper exploration and collaboration. We piloted this research phase of the Datathon for the first time last year. And despite the pandemic, there were great paper submissions from all over the world. So much so that this year there are additional prizes and, by popular demand, increased page limits. We invite all Datathon participants to share more details about their work through April 30th. And we can all take inspiration from the very first Excellence in Research Award winners, the Alpha team from IBM, Pakistan, Germany, and the United States. Congrats again to all those who participated and made this year's record-breaking Datathon possible.